This morning, making one trade, gonna break it down. I'm gonna show you the live trade, getting in, getting out, what went down. Just one of those kind of weird stocks. Do some really weird stuff there at open. Just normally don't see this type of action at open, but you'll see from the video, you'll see the live trade, kind of what went down here. I'll talk about this setup and then kind of just overall what went down today in the stock market. Day trading live. Let's see if I get short here on CSIQ there at 1230. 1230, looking to short. See if I can get filled there. Big seller there at 1240. Looking here at VIPS, see if I can get short there at $8. So there we are. We're short VIPS there at $8. Looking for this to pull down there below $8, obviously. VIPS has bad news. Got a bad ER. It's gapping down. So I'm thinking we're going to get some selling. Here at open. People just trying to get out. I would love to see 750. That would be beautiful, but I'll probably start taking profit 775 as we move down there, just taking a little bit partials. My stop on this is going to be around 810. So I'm risking 10 cents for the idea of making 50 cents. So let's see if we can get it here at open. We've seen very similar setups recently where it's kind of holding that whole dollar there pre-market. They're at the $8 right now, kind of holding that. And it's still, it's holding that $8. It's holding that whole dollar, but it's not really pushing higher, and it's not really going anywhere. It's just kind of stuck there. So we're looking for that move to the downside. The last time this stock had the ER, it gapped down from 15 down there to 11. So that's what we're watching here, just kind of a repeat of that gap down. It's already gapped down some yesterday. It was yesterday after the ER, you can see push down there, pull down there to 778 there. That pullback below $8. You can also see on the 5-minute chart here how this downtrend has just been holding down below VWAPs. Got the EMA, it's got 20, got the 20 EMA, got the VWAP there. The white line, the blue line is the 9 EMA. So everything kind of lining up there resistance-wise. That's why I'm kind of looking at that 805 area as my stop loss, because I think if this thing has strength, it's going to push above all that. But we're looking for this to go down. I'm short right now. People are always, are you short or are you long? I'm short. Selling it at a higher price and looking to buy it back at a lower price. Got some decent selling pressure there at $8 right now, looking to hold this down. We're just kind of going sideways right now. We've seen this before recently, a couple different stocks doing very similar thing. Pre-market just kind of holding that whole dollar. That's why I'm looking for this to pull down there. That's why I'm looking for this to drop here at open. It just can't make its mind up, can't go higher. So, well, if it can't go higher, it's probably going to go lower. 795 now. Let's see if we can just start rolling off there. Got about 4 minutes till market open. Getting a little bit of action here before market open. Still got about 3 minutes. Well, this would be awesome if it breaks right below 790 there before the market opens. That's really going to show a lot of weakness there. Some weird stuff going on. Some buyers stepping up there. I don't think that's a real buyer. I think someone's just trying to hold it up to get more shares just short there. Is what I would guess what's going on there. It's not selling off here. Give it in a second. I'm going to jump out. Getting some decent selling pressure going through there at 8. Let's see if this will pull down here. It's not liking it there. Some weird stuff, I guess. Is the market just like open there or something? Now it's going to pull back. That's really weird. It's like the market makers gave it a couple minutes and then jumped in there or something. So VIPS down there to 792 now. Look at that selling pressure there stacking up. What a weird one. That was a total fake out there. Should just gave it a little bit more time. Just wasn't really liking what was going on there at open. Just being really weird. So VIPS, you can see spiking up there at 820 now. So good thing I got out when I did. Just not really seeing anything this morning. Playing it safe there on VIPS. I'm just looking around here. What else is moving pre-market that I was watching, but nothing really that I'm like, oh, this is what I want to short. And there's the stocks that are going down just don't have shares too short. So now I'm just sitting back here waiting, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen today for me. So just playing it safe here, waiting, watching. And that's really what it comes down to here. So VERI is the biggest loser of the day, but there's no shares to short there. holding that $8 and not going down. But there it is, down there to $7.93 now. I think I'm going to go ahead and just walk away there, down $19 on VIPS. It didn't do what I wanted it to do there at open. Was really hoping we were just going to get that sell-off, just that quick roll-off, you know, 9 cent down there to $7.75. That would have been beautiful. With 2,000 shares, would have been an easy $500 if this would have rolled off. But you see, it didn't really roll off. And if you watch the video, it did some weird things. It was kind of like sitting there for a minute and just wasn't liking it. So I got out for a small, very, very small loss. And you can see later on, spiking up there to 820. And now it's down there to 775. So that's just part of it. You got to know when to hold them and when to fold them. Day trading, baby. Staying alive, staying alive, staying alive. I'm going to go ahead and close it out there. I'll talk to you guys later on.